Hi, welcome to Victoria's Garden. I am showing on this video how we prune our dragon fruit. Pruning is one of the most important maintenance in farming. We remove the unwanted and unhealthy stems. If possible, just leave 3 to 5 healthy stems from the main branch. It is essential that the main stems of your dragon fruit is free from unwanted shoots and stems. Unwanted shoots only take out nutrients in your plants and will also prevent to produce more buds and flowers. Your months of experience working in the farm will give you an idea which stems needs to be removed. Just continue to find and look for unhealthy stems. Don't be afraid to cut the stems that you think that is healthy because it will grow back again. The important thing is that you remove the stems, the unnecessary stems at the moment, because that's just part of the maintenance. And I'm also showing the results of our lining. In my previous videos, I showed the yellowing of our stems caused by acidic soil. And after 2 months of application, we get a good results. The yellow stems are not so yellow compared to the last 2 months, which is very bright yellow, and we confirm that's caused by soil acidity. Make sure you check your stems and remove stems suffers from fungus. Fungal infection may block the plants from producing buds and flowers. If ever you find this type of fungus, don't be afraid to cut the whole stems and discard the affected stems properly. And make sure you clean your shear or knives that you use in cutting the infected areas to avoid cross-contamination. As always been said, there is no substitute in proper maintenance and continuous learning in farming. Keep safe everyone, happy farming!